Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today's Sunday. Yesterday was Bo's birthday party. We're going to get this house clean and get it together. When you see room by room, you're going to know that this house needs cleaning real bad. And I have a little helper here, Tan. He's going to help me get all the house stuff done. And then Bo's just going to tag along for the ride. So let's get it clean and get your butts up and let's get it going, guys. First place we're going to do is this stairs right here because I used the spinner wheel and it picked for us to do the stairs first. Let's get the vacuuming, guys. Yeah. Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. I know it has been a while, but we are back and we're on a roll. This week we are going to be going camping, so you can look for another video coming up to organize the camper, and we're going to clean it, so that will be a real fun video coming up. But guys, this day whenever I was cleaning the house, I went room by room, going to each site and cleaning each area. I don't do as much talking in this video because I was just getting it done. And with two kids around, you know that can be a little hard. So I would keep them with me as much as possible or try to get stuff done while Bo was napping or Tan was helping me somehow. So, yes, thank you so much for stopping by to watch the video. If you need any motivation, here it is. And let's get it going, guys. Thank you so much. Guys, this bathroom is needing some desperate help, and yes, that is a towel over the window, because every single time we say we're going to go get blinds, we don't. We just always forget. So we're about to help it, and here we go. So you just seen me cleaning the dog pens, and we keep that right there, and our dogs do sleep in it every night. They used to actually just sleep with us or roam the house at night, but they got to the point where they would get up and just walk constantly. And I just cannot deal with that at night, because then I feel like I need to get up like there's something wrong with them. So now that we put them in the pen at night, we put them outside during the day, let them run outside and eat, drink, bring them back in, whatever. But at night we put them in the pen, and it has seemed to be such a game changer for them and us, because they sleep so much better. They're not walking, they're not up, and even in the mornings when I come to wake them up, they are still asleep. So I love that we do that now. But that area needed cleaning real bad, because we just don't take that out and vacuum there and clean there often. So I'm glad we got to get that done. And the kitchen is even worse than the bathroom was. We got a lot of cleaning to do, guys. I'm glad y'all are here to help motivate me with these little munchkins. Tan has been a really big help so far, though. So let's get to doing it. And then just look at my frustration right here. I just didn't know where to start. So when I start in the kitchen, I usually get all the trash up and then get all the food up is my plan. But the day before, I went ahead and got the food up like that we wanted to keep. Obviously, you don't want to let it set out. But anything we didn't want to keep or anything, we just left it there because it was pretty late when everyone left from the party. And I was frustrated because I had the 2 kids and then the whole house was messy. And if my house is messy, I just get frustrated. And I know I shouldn't, but I do. So I had tried to work on like one room, but then Jonathan had to go to work that day and it was already so late. So I just didn't get to the kitchen and I was frustrated, but then I felt so good once I got it done. It smelled good and overall I was so thankful that it was done. The kitchen was the nightmare of the day. And now we are moving on to the living room. The living room wasn't as bad, but it was a lot over there in this little area. We just needed to de-decorate this and get all the gifts up to his room and where to put it. So he got quite a bit of stuff yesterday, definitely some toys, but he also got like bigger items. He got a Christmas tree for his room, which I thought was a wonderful gift. And then he got his lifetime hunting license. And if you buy them before they turn 1, it's a lot cheaper. So my mom and my stepdad did get him that. Tanner already has his from when he was a baby. So that is definitely something that they will both use. And we're so thankful for that. He got so much stuff, and I think it was just a fun time overall. So this red, white, and bow sign up here that you see above the window, the backstory on this is that on Pinterest, I had a board that was named Red, White, and Bow, and it had all the ideas that I wanted to create for the party and all the things that I wanted to try. Well, someone had a banner, and I think it said, like, Happy Birthday, Everett, and it was in red, white, and blue. But the lady who created our cookies for the party had sent me red, white, and bow as an idea, and I love the idea. So I went on there to Etsy to order a banner that said red, white, and bow, and I seen that people create these on their own every day. So I went on TikTok and just to get different ideas, and this craft paper, y'all, is literally $5, less than $5 for a roll. I don't know how long it is, but it's really long. And I got it at Hobby Lobby in the wrapping paper section. And it was the best idea because now I'm about to make one for back to school for Tanner. It's his first day of kindergarten. Even though we're homeschooling, I still want to make it really special for him. And I will be able to use this paper and paint on it for so many other events. So I love the idea. I love making a big impact. Plus it's cheap, and plus it is just so cute, and it just adds to the whole party or event that you're having. So I would highly suggest, even if you can't paint, literally draw it with a pencil and paint over it. It's just so cute, and I loved how it turned out. And this sign that I'm wiping off right here, I got at a thrift store for 99 cents, and we have used it for at least 3 parties at this time, and it just says happy birthday, and it says all of their favorite things. So I'm so excited about getting these small things that I can use for years to come with their birthdays. I know I haven't got to introduce you guys to my brand new cordless vacuum cleaner, but here she is in all of her glory. I use her multiple times a day, and I had posted on TikTok that I hope that I got big enough to where a company would partner with me and send me one to try out. But my stepmom actually heard the video and asked me if I wanted one for my birthday. And it was the best gift because, number one, I didn't ask her for it, but she offered and then she let me pick out the one I wanted. I really did try to do quite the research on battery life to choose the right one and battery life overall on how many years it would last. So I really hope that I chose a good one. So far, I'm loving it. But if you guys have any other recommendations on like a future one that you're just in love with, please let me know. Put it in the comments. Guys, we've made it to the video where we clean my room. Please just look at this wreck. We're gonna get it done right now. No judgment. Let's get up. Let's get going right now. I think my favorite thing about this vacuum cleaner is vacuuming in the dark so I can see all the little things and specks on the floor that the light is showing me. And it is so satisfying watching it just leave. So I might look like a crazy lady, but every single time I vacuum with this, especially on a hardwood floor, I vacuum in the dark. And Nail Tan will go and shut all the lights off for me right before I vacuum. Well, thank y'all so much for cleaning with me today. I am going to go ahead and end this video here. But y'all, if y'all need any motivation, please come back. Please subscribe, like this video, and we'll keep getting stuff done. The next couple videos are going to be organizing the camper and getting everything in there packed for our vacation, and then our vacation to the beach. So we're really excited about that. Thank y'all so much for being on this journey with us, and I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. See you next video. Bye, y'all.